Hi everyone, my name is Gigi and welcome to my channel. For today's project, we are going to turn a truss into this beautiful home decor. So let's begin our project. So what we need is this old calendar, right? You can use any cartoon guys or anything that you can make of, right? But as like I said, these are all my trash. Okay, so I'm using this old calendar and I draw a circle. Okay, we are going to make a placemat or a decoration. Okay, this is an old calendar, guys. I think this is 2018 calendar. I keep everything I told you guys because I don't really like to throw things away. If I can save them, I try to save them, guys. Okay, almost done. People they think, oh, it's nothing, but if we have that mentality, I'm telling you, we always gonna struggle in life. But okay, so you just keep on sticking round and round and round until you fill up the hole. Piece of cloth that I'm gluing it down is just my leftover from my old project. Do you remember, guys? My flower vase, and this one is from the mop, the cleaning mop. That make good use of it as my project. Then I haven't started my DIY project yet. So I'm pleased that I kept it because I used my old mop then, and I just keep these things in the side for quite some time. And now I'm glad that I'm making really good use of it, and it's really, really nice the color. I couldn't find this kind of mop anymore. It is amazing actually how these things came out. And guys, look at it. It's not balanced because probably I really didn't put it in the middle because I didn't measure it. So, you know, we learn through experience. Next time I will make sure I have to measure it. I just estimate the middle part. I should have not done that. But hey, this is how I do my work sometimes. I tried to shortcut it, but it didn't come out the way I wanted to. But we can put some remedy on it. I mean, if you do DIY, you always have to find a way uh, to sort the mess that I created. You know, I mean, you have to really be creative to fix the mess if you do DIYs. You know, I always try to shortcut things, and it pays off this way. I should have not done it. But anyway, we can fix this. It's easy. You see, this side has more space in here. So it's done, guys. See? And this is the outcome, guys. That's the placemat and that's the flower base that I made before. You see? And if you haven't subscribed me yet, please do, and like and share if you like this project. And thank you very much, and have a happy new year again. Bye bye.